In this video, I will show you how to change default apps in Windows 11. To do this from your desktop, what you want to do first is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to type settings. Underneath best match, you should see settings come up. Give that a click and that's going to open up your computer settings. Now from here, if you come over to the menu on the left hand side, you should see an option for apps. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. From here, what you want to do is click onto the default apps option, and this way you can come to change the default apps for certain file extensions and things like that. So if you actually come down to the second search box down here where it says set defaults for applications, you can then select an app to be the default app for different extensions and files and things like that. For example, if I wanted to use Adobe Acrobat to open up PDFs, then I would type Adobe into here. You can see I've already got Adobe Acrobat on my computer, and what I would do is click onto the app from here. Now, as you can see, we're going to be taken to a screen like this, where we can set the default file types or link types for this specific section. You can see I've already got Adobe set to be my default app to open things like PDFs, PDXs, and other file extensions, but this is where you basically come to change your default apps on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So that's how to change default apps in Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Windows 11 and tech tutorials. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.